everybody. How are you? It's Dawn Middleton with Dawn's Artisan Jewelry. Hanging out on a beautiful evening. I'm on my patio in southern Indiana. You can hear the birds and maybe some frogs. It's gorgeous out. But I'm coming out to say hi. Nathan and I are going to start putting these videos together. We did a live show for Mother's Day, and then we're going to just start putting out little videos. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about some new pieces I make each time. So yeah, we're excited about it, and they're just going to be kind of impromptu. We'll send them out to our email list and to all the social media channels, and yeah, so I hope you're doing well. I know right now everybody's heart is heavy, and just know that we're all going to be okay, and we're going to get through this, and we know change has got to happen. So, but sending much love to all of you. Please do all you can to take care of yourself and to be peaceful as possible. So sending much love to you. Well, let me talk to you a little bit. Maybe I can bring a little joy, and I'll talk to you a little bit about what's happening with us, and a little bit about my creative juices that have been flowing. So here we go. First thing I'm going to talk about is this pendant I made. This is bronze, so the top part of it is a large piece of bronze. It's a cabochon that I created out of bronze. The way I make this is with a bronze clay. I form the clay. It's just like clay, and then it dries, and then I sand it, and then you fire it in the kiln, and when it comes out, the clay's gone and it's solid bronze. So that's what this is. These are cast rose shrub branches, and they're twisted together, and there's a few dots of 18 karat gold, little 18 karat gold here on the side, and then this beautiful piece of amethyst. It hangs from this bale, has a Rolo chain on it, and this piece is $467. Isn't it funny how these chains, you know, I put a lot of chains off and on, and I still sometimes have a hard time. So it has a lobster clasp. It's a Rolo chain. There's a little pearl. This is the piece. How's that look, Nate? The earrings I'm wearing are, is that a little better? These are, they're long. It's like a picture window in each one. One of them has a pearl, and it's a crescent moon made out of 18 karat gold, and the other one has, this one's the pearl. It's a peacock pearl, and this one is a druzy quartz. And they're asymmetrical reflections in these little windows. And they have a dark gunmetal finish on most of them, just like this pendant. These earrings, oh, I want to show you the back too. They have they slide off like that, and there's a little hook on the back. There's that one. And these are $347. I'll hold them both up together. There's the pearl. And everything that I'm showing you, Nathan is going to put it all into a collection. It's going to be called the May collection, because we're going to do this every month. And then everything I'm talking about will be in there, so you can see close-up photos of the pieces. And it's called the May collection. This is all done in gunmetal. The rose shrub branches are cast, and that's what the background that the black druzy quartz is sitting on. It has a lobster clasp. This is an 18-inch chain, and it's $177. It's a nice length. The gunmetal is a great look. It's this black, you know, it just kind of goes with everything. If you're like me, I wear a lot of black, white, gray, maybe a little red. Well, I don't know. Sometimes I wear blue. Right, Nay? Okay, next we have, this is a Apache chrysoprase. It's $347. The piece is on a paperclip chain. It's on this bar. There's a branch that wraps all the way around. And then there is this, the bezel that wraps around it is, almost looks like a crown around the stone. It's such a gorgeous stone. Can you see it good, Nathan? This also has a lobster clasp. And it has a 2-inch extender. You can hook it onto this chain and make it shorter, but it goes 16 to 18 inches. So this is how it hangs. Is that straight, Nathan? I think this pairs really well with these earrings. These are freshwater pearl. They're real simple little earrings. They're like little buttons. These are $187. You put them in. The earrings and the Apache chrysoprase necklace. I'm going to put on some different necklaces and let you see some different ones. I'll leave the earring on, but I have, if any of you have seen me in person, you know that I wear a lotus most of the time. I have a lotus blossom on. This is the same piece except it's all silver. The one I wear has a little bit of gold in it. So there's this piece, and it's $147. There is, these are a design, a style I use where I have the circle in the center and then the piece hangs down from it. And they're 16 to 18 inches. This one I'm going to put on at 18 inches, and it's a floral garden, and this $147 as well. And then there's one more, and this one's $167, and it is a ginkgo. And it only goes 18 inches. It has a pearl hanging out, but the ginkgo is gold. So you can see the silver and the gold ginkgo and the pearl hanging down. And it hangs just like these necklaces. But I have, I make these in different styles off and on, and I have 3 different pieces that are going to be listed in this collection. The next piece I'm going to show you is, I was going to show this on a different chain, but I'll show it to you on the Rolo chain. This is a really pretty piece that I just finished, and it is turquoise. It's turquoise. There's a sun mandala with citrine. It has, this is 18 karat gold. It's a sunrise. This is the bail that hangs off of there. And this piece is $267. That's the pendant. The chain is $90. This is what it looks like on. Can you see it good, Nate?
Yes.
Okay. There's that. I'll leave that on, actually, for a second. And then there are these earrings. They're a great little post earring, and they have a circle that hangs down off of them. A little 18 karat gold. These are $187. You can see there are posts, so there's a circle on top. And then one has, it's a ruby, right, Nathan? A ruby and a garnet. A ruby and a garnet, 18 karat gold and sterling silver. And they hang on my ear like this. The only thing about being outside is you can hear any car and any bird. Cars and birds. The birds aren't so bad. The cars are a little loud. Okay, so here are these earrings. This is how they hang. And I'm working on several more pairs that are similar to this. They all have different designs on them and different stones. And then, okay, so I showed you earlier this bronze dome with the amethyst. This is the bronze dome ring, and this one is a size 6. I make these in all different sizes. I get a lot of custom orders for these. But it's really smooth bronze. I make this cabochon out of clay. And it has a triple split band. And that's the top of it. And then I have one more ring to show you. This is an Anastasia topaz, and it has a rose branch that is cast that goes all the way around it, and a couple dots of gold, and it's an 8 3/4. I love to wear it on my middle finger like that. That is that, and then I have one more piece to show you. Let me get this one off. And there's this other bronze medallion. The medallion is $197 by itself. $217 with a plain chain. And I don't have one of those, but this is how it would hang. And this is a sunburst mandala. So it's like a big ray of sunshine. I make a smaller version of this in a ring also. I don't have any in stock right now, but I could make them custom orders. But so there you go. There's a few of pieces that I thought you might enjoy. I had fun making them, and I'll see you in a couple weeks. We'll do another show, and I'll show you some more pieces. Nathan and I will be at Summer Fair Cincinnati this coming weekend. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then next weekend after that is Columbus Arts Festival in Columbus, Ohio. It's Friday, Saturday, Sunday as well. So come by for a free hug and to check out all my new things. And I'd love to see you and or hear from you. I hope you're doing well. Take care of yourself. Many blessings. Bye.